Do you want to know one powerful way to build trust with your leadership communication? Here it is. Be honest and explain the why behind your decisions. Think about it. People are much more likely to support what you are saying if they know your reasoning behind it, not just the outcome. So build a bridge of trust and walk them through your thinking. Make them feel seen, heard, valued, and respected. Be honest and be specific. Don't make vague statements. Show people you are not hiding anything. First of all, tell them the challenges you're facing, the options you've considered, and what you are hoping to achieve. Most importantly, tell them why it matters. Here's an example of a leadership communication from a business owner who decided to sell a majority interest in his group of manufacturing companies to a private equity investor. Now, in his letter to all the key managers of these manufacturing companies, he told them the why behind his decision to sell by saying this. As you know, my history with our manufacturing group spans more than 2 decades. I have been a shareholder since 1996, a board member since 2000, and the sole owner since 2005. This investment of time and money brought much needed financial stability to our manufacturing group, especially after 9/11 and the global recession of 2009. In addition, we were able to integrate companies, make our manufacturing group more competitive, and increase the overall value of the business. Last year, our manufacturing group began preparing for the next phase of evolution and growth. After some serious self-reflection as the sole owner, I concluded that I have taken the group as far as I can myself. I decided that now is the time to bring on a partner, a team of people with fresh ideas, energy, and professional skills, willing and able to take our manufacturing group to the next level. Now, the owner went on to talk about his search for just the right investor partner. Then he gave 3 specific reasons why he was so impressed with the private equity firm he chose. So the next time you're drafting an important leadership communication, build a bridge of trust. Walk people through your thinking. Go past the outcome and tell them the why behind your decisions. Until next time.